Today, we're talking about one of the most influential and sometimes most debated programming language in web history, PHP. It powers blogs, e-commerce store, government website, and even part of Facebook. At one point, over 20% of web runs on PHP. But how did it start? Surprisingly, as a personal tool. In 1994, the Danish-Canadian programmer named Rasmus Lerdorf created a small set of tools to track visitors in his personal website. He called it Personal Homepage Tool. That's where PHP originally got its name. It wasn't meant to be a programming language. It was just a collection of CGI script written in C, used to process web form and connected to database. But something unexpected happens. Other developers wanted it. They asked for feature, they improved it, they share it, and suddenly PHP started growing. The internet was exploding in the late 1990s. Websites needed dynamic content, login system, comment section, and database integration. Static HTML was not enough anymore. PHP was perfect because it was easy to learn, embedded directly inside HTML, simple to deploy, and free and open source. In 1997 to 1998, two developers, Zeus Suraski and Andy Gatman, rewrote the PHP core engine. They created Zen Engine from the name Zev and Just this writing made PHP faster and more powerful. PHP is reversible, and now it wasn't just a tool anymore. It was a real programming language. With the Zen engine powering it, PHP became the king of web hosting. Why? Because most cheap hosting providers supported PHP by default. You didn't need an expensive server. You could upload files via FTP, connect to MySQL, build a dynamic website. And then something hooks happens. In 2003, WordPress was launched. It was built entirely with PHP, and it exploded in popularity. Soon, bloggers use it, businesses use it, news companies use it. And today's WordPress powers over 40% of all websites on the internet. Other major platforms also use PHP. Dropbox, Joomla, Magento. PHP becomes the backbone of the modern web. In 2004, a Harvard student named Mark Zuckerberg launched Facebook, and it was built using PHP. As Facebook grew to millions of users, people doubted. Can PHP handle their scale? Facebook engineers created HAVM, Hip Hop Virtual Machine, performance optimization, so PHP proved could scale. But PHP wasn't perfect. It faced a criticism for its inconsistent function namings, security issue, stack-heavy code practice, and many developers moved to Java, C#, and Node.js. PHP popularity dropped in perceptions, but not in usage. In 2015, PHP's when was released, and it was trying out fast, more memory functions, and more modules. Then it came PHP 8 with just-in-time compilations, better type system, and cleaner syntax. Modern PHP framework changed everything, like Laravel, Symfony. These frameworks made PHP elegant, structured, and enterprise-ready. So PHP was reborn. Even today, PHP powers website, e-commerce store, government system, APIs, and SaaS platform. Despite joke and criticism, PHP still runs a massive portions of the internet, quietly, reliably, and every day. PHP didn't start as a master plan. It started as a personal script. But through communities, open source collaborations, and adaptations, it became one of the most important technologies in web history. Love it or criticize it, you can ignore it, but without PHP, the web we know today would look very different.